In previous videos and blogs, Medaco have covered many of the considerations your care facility can come across when having a ceiling hoist installed. After clarifying the specifications your service user needs and the allocated budget available for the installation, have you ever wondered what ceiling hoist track design layout is best suited for my facility? In this video, we will talk about the two main ceiling hoist track layout designs. Overhead ceiling track designs and installations is site-specific, and your facility's suitability for installation is a driving factor. An initial technical installation survey should be conducted by a professional surveyor to assess your room's dimensions, your requirements, the site layout, the capacity, and what you need to achieve with your hoisting. Your surveyor will then create you a custom proposal for your ceiling hoist design that is based on either a straight rail system or an XY system or H-frame system. A straight rail system is a system that uses a single track across the room for hoisting. It's a viable design layout when you're looking to simply hoist your service care users just from 2 points of movement within the room, so from point A to point B. A straight rail system is a budget-friendly option when it comes to ceiling hoists, as it's the simplest option available. A straight rail comes with minimal disruption and can typically be installed in half a day's work. With a straight rail system, you can add a turntable or a switch, which can give you greater coverage. This, for example, could allow you to connect to an ensuite or to an adjacent room. With a straight rail system, it's important that you understand the layout of your room will need to be fixed and unchanging, as the installation will remain in a fixed place. When opting for a more complex rail system that includes turntables, bends, etc., the more support brackets are required, and this in turn can drive up the cost. An XY system, also known as an H-frame system, moves across an X and Y axis, and this allows for the service user to have the benefit from having the full range of movement across the room. With an XY system, you will need a minimum of 4 fixing points, and it will typically take a full day for an installation. An XY system gives you full room coverage and complete flexibility for your service user. With this system, you have a seamless movement and accessibility across the room, and should one of your service users fall, you have the capacity to hoist them up at any point in the room. This system is also very flexible in terms of how they are installed. If you're unable to affix to the ceiling, you can affix to the walls with a post and bracket system, unlike when installing with a straight rail system. With an XY system, it can be technically difficult, as your installer will need to avoid pipework, doors, windows when finding two opposite fixing points. An XY system can also be an initial greater investment. At times, rooms greater than 8 meters squared can make it difficult to design a suitable installation for an XY system that is purely wall mounted. When you are needing to enable a service user to move from one room to another, i.e. from a bed to a bathroom, a room-to-room system is an ideal option for this. This design utilises having 2 different tracks situated in each of the 2 rooms with a motor pod for each track. This system also allows for transfer without ever touching the floor. Both the straight track and the XY systems have additional components that can be added into the design to accommodate a full range of options for movement. A gated room system is a design that has a locking mechanism between 2 rooms that connects them together to give a seamless transfer. This design allows your service user to traverse between the 2 rooms with only one hoist motor for both spaces. Turntables can be installed within a straight rail system, and the advantages of these are being able to go into multiple rooms. So an example of this might be in a swimming pool changing area where one track goes off over the pool and the other tracks go into different changing rooms. So it allows the service users to have the option to go into different areas. Here at Medaco, we are installation ceiling hoist specialists with a team of engineers who create unique solutions for our clients nationally. If you would like further information, get in touch with our installation team today. We're happy to help you.